edit a value in dictionaries. First, we'll go to brackets. It's very easy to edit the values in dictionaries. For example, if we have a dictionary called OS, operating systems, key Apple, value is Mac, key Microsoft, value is Windows, keys AT&T, value is PC. Now I will show you before changing and after changing. So to be very clear, I will print a string before plus OS square brackets quotation marks AT&T, which I want to change its value. So to change that, we simply just type OS square brackets quotation marks AT&T equals quotation marks Linux. So we changed from PC to Linux. Now I will print after changing. To see that on terminal, print string marks now is space plus OS square brackets quotation marks AT&T. So I will print the full dictionary OS. See that on terminal right now. Very nice, it works great and PC value has been changed to Linux. Anyways, thank you for watching and do not forget to write your own code on your computer.